Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations. Beacon Lighting offer an extensive range of indoor and outdoor lights. These exterior wall lights here were the perfect choice to give the facade of the house that special, cool, fresh coastal look. We've used these wall lights throughout the exterior of the home, upstairs, downstairs, and on the outdoor patio area. We just love the feature light in this laundry. It's this beautiful beacon light. The texture here is a beautiful handcrafted Spanish alabaster glass. It's got this beautiful texture to it, beautiful depth. The light looks absolutely brilliant when it's on. Special feature for us also is the brass trim at the top really brings in the brass features throughout the room. So it was the perfect feature to tie everything together in the laundry. We carried this look through to the powder room with this amazing feature light. This gorgeous little table lamp here is one of my favourite in the home. It is made out of the beautiful handcrafted Spanish alabaster glass, the same as what we used in the laundry downstairs. Alabaster is a naturally occurring material, so every product produced is unique. The Juno pendant light here from Beacon Lighting was the perfect choice for this young boy's room. The timber feature here works perfectly with other features in the room and really pulls it together. I think I'm starting to realize. These wall lights were the perfect choice for this young boy's room. Now they are the perfect colour now for the finished product in the room, but we're a little bit unsure in the beginning what colour we wanted to put in these walls. So these lights are fully customisable. So we knew from day one that we could paint them any colour we wanted. You better get used to me, yo. Our favourite Tahitian fan has had an upgrade and it's now called the Bali Fan. The new Bali Fan has the same coastal palm leaf design with a more energy efficient motor. It only costs 1 cent per hour to run while still maintaining high airflow and operating silently. Beacon Lighting offer an extensive range of indoor and outdoor lights, so head to one of their stores today and check out the range.